it's a big day for the US markets when Jerome Powell is going to announce what the Fed are doing with interest rates. Now, around a couple of weeks ago, it was looking like an 87% chance of a rate cut this time. Now, is it going to be 0.25 or 0.50? And it could send markets into euphoria when a lot of it is already at all-time highs, but also bonds are high and rare minerals, gold and silver, are also high, and markets are all-time highs. It's a bit of an unprecedented kind of scenario that we're in. I personally think that they're going to rip a little. We are going to get a rate cut. I think it's going to be 0.25% rate cut. He's still going to be a little bit bearish on inflation creeping up a little bit, not seeing the full effects of Trump's tariffs and the uncertainty of Trump's tariffs. And I think market's going to rip a little bit higher with a pullback in probably next week. I think we'll see a bit of a retraction. You look at Tesla. Tesla in, I think, March this year were at $215. They're now back up to $425 this morning. And you think that's like quite a big jump, and that's without interest rates coming down. So personally, I think they've already priced in a rate cut, and they've been pricing rate cuts in for a long time. And I think when it comes, they will rip higher, but we're going to see a retraction. So what you might see is a lot of volatility over the next couple of days and people basically scalping profits on the volatility. And then as the sort of Magnificent Seven in the tech sector sort of retract from the higher highs that they've made, you probably see the blue chip stocks starting to rise up, the likes of Coca-Cola and what have you. So definitely a time to be looking at the markets, and it should be interesting to see what comes off the back of today's announcement.